Two-faced fish were found in the lake, viral at the moment. Have you seen two-faced fish? Wondering what is possible? How many creation secrets are hidden in this strange world? Recently, a picture of a fish with two faces has gone viral on the internet. Last Friday, a woman named Davis Geddes went to Chaplain Lake in New York to visit her husband. There they meet this strange looking fish. I could not believe it when we got on the boat, said Geddes, surprised. Two faces, the fish is very healthy. Devi said she had her husband take a few pictures and then release the fish into the lake. A picture of the fish was posted on Facebook by a local fishing team called Naughty Boys Fishing. Then it spread around the world. There are multiple theories about this fish. Commenting from a biologist, I think it is a distortion. The fish has any fatal problems. Again, referring to a mythical monster living in Lake Champlain, the man referred to it as a descendant of the monster. A picture of the two-faced fish was posted there last Monday on a Facebook page called Nine Boys Fishing. That post went viral after that. Netizens have posted pictures of the two-faced fish as well as various comments on the fish. Netizens are now discussing what happened to the two faces of the fish. One group says it is a rare two-faced fish, but due to some abnormality, two faces. According to the other group, the jaw of the fish was cut due to injury. It looks like a shake that enclosed with a drawstring. 5 days in a row to set a record in the toilet. There is no pair of toilets to spend time alone. That is some time. So 5 days in a row. One such incident has taken place recently. One person spent 5 consecutive days sitting in the toilet to set a world record. The 48 years old Jimmy De Freni is a bus driver by profession. Jimmy announced that he would spend 185 hours in the toilet to set a record. However, after 116 hours or 5 days, he withdrew. It's a way to make fun of yourself. He said in an interview, "Why did I do that? Because everyone is joking about me after knowing I will make fun of everyone in the same way in the future as well." Meanwhile, Stan Phillips' place bar was appended so that Jimmy would not be bothered while sitting on the toilet. This allows Jimmy to talk to his friends and family. Jimmy also slept for 5 minutes or hours. He could not go to the toilet even if he was sitting on the toilet because there was no drain system. He would get up if he found a toilet at the time. Nothing that sitting on the toilet for long period of time is not easy at all. Jimmy said, "I was very tired. It is unknown at this time what he will do after leaving the post. Earlier a man sat in the toilet for 100 hours. Jimmy said he was conscious of setting world records. Local officials and witnesses also made a list to verify it. However, there is no official word from Guinness World Record about his record. The world record was set by a cow with horns longer than 10 cubits. The record for the longest horn in the world is now a cow in Texas. The 6-year-old cow's name is Punch. The length of the punch horn from one end to the other is 10 feet 6 inches. The horns of the punch are more than an inch larger than the previous record held by a cow. With this punch has got a place in the Guinness World Records. He was bought by Gerald Pop Jr. when he was only 6 months old. He is being raised on a farm in Goodwater, Alabama. Girl Pop says Ponch's horns first became curved, later it leaves the bend and grows straight. When he was 4 years old, they noticed that his horns had grown so much they think he can set a record.